Welcome to Mini Binz, the leading provider of dumpster rental in Fonthill, Ontario. We are dedicated to offering unparalleled waste management solutions tailored to meet our clients' diverse needs. Whether you're embarking on a home renovation project, managing a commercial site, or simply decluttering your space, we provide reliable and efficient dumpster rental services. Our extensive range of dumpsters ensures we have the perfect solution for every waste management requirement. At Mini Binz, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate different volumes of waste. Our selection includes small, medium, and large dumpsters that handle everything from household junk to substantial construction debris. Our knowledgeable team is here to guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the right dumpster size and rental period for your specific needs. Ready to get started with Mini Binz? Contact us at 905-378-3381 or visit our website at www.minibinz.ca. Dumpster Rental, Fonthill, Ontario, for a free no-obligation quote. Mini Binz, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Fonthill, Ontario. Experience the difference between reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly waste management services.